Doing the right that corner?
And sometimes you might have to lube it like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
Because it's the rubber on this silicone actually dries out like really fast.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, and I've got the window there, so I grab these
Got the window?
these ends.
Yeah.
And this is one guy in, one guy out job. Okay, we leave the bottom in. So you keep the top out as long as you can. Okay, okay, now tap the top down. You getting her, George?
Yep.
We're going down.
Okay, just hang on a second. Let us get the rest of the rubber. That's the worst part, the beginning.
Yeah.
Once you got the beginning in, the rest goes. Okay,
Okay.
tap her in.
Ah, much better.
Much better. Okay, set window in place. All right, lock her up, buddy. Ah. Oh, I had it. Okay, you got the window? Yep, fingers good. Okay. All right, push her right in there, Tony. Find a lot of times I have to lube this like 3, 4, or 5 times because sometimes you don't get the complete seal because it's already basically sitting in place. So you kind of need to work it a little bit, if you know what I mean. Okay, my man, you ready? Okay. I'm going to start with this side until the twain shall meet. And then whichever one singled out, that's the one I'm going to drag on. Okay? There's going to be a little bit of a problem. Should be pulling it in pretty good. You got her, Tony? Okay, let me work this corner down there, buddy. Let me rewrap here, partner. I need a little helping wrap hand here.
As easy as that. 4 minutes.